Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return online. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2 forms and any 1099, to ensure you have all the necessary financial information. Next, select a reliable online tax software or consider using the official government website for free filing options if you qualify. Finally, create a secure account and establish strong passwords to protect your personal data throughout the process. Once you've chosen your platform, begin by accurately entering all your income details from every source, like wages and investment earnings, into the correct sections. Don't forget to report any deductions or credits you are eligible for, as these can significantly lower your taxable income. Take your time and meticulously review all the information you've entered to catch any potential mistakes before moving on to the next step. Before submitting, perform a thorough double-check of all calculations and ensure your personal information is completely accurate. This is crucial for avoiding delays or issues. Confirm your bank account details for direct deposit of any refund or for making a payment if you owe taxes. Once everything looks correct, electronically sign your return and submit it through the secure online portal. You'll usually receive a confirmation email shortly after. After successfully filing, it's essential to save a digital or physical copy of your submitted return, along with all supporting documents for your records. You can then track the status of your refund or payment directly through the official government website, which usually provides updates within a few days. For those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any further communications regarding your tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.